What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today, well, we got quite the story. Last week, I set out with a goal, a simple goal of 5 straight green days. Okay? And today, well, today's day number 5. Check it out. Well, guys, yes, this is a bat. It is a bat. It is actually a game used bat, MLB certified. Where is it? There's the little label. It's a bat, and the reason why I have this bat in my hand today is because today's another home run day. Check this out. All right, guys. So today I came into the market really looking to put the pedal to the metal. Unfortunately, or fortunately, depending how you look at it, I'm gonna say unfortunately. I didn't have enough settled cash in my account because of yesterday. Yesterday trading, and then I traded on Friday, and I just didn't have enough settled cash in the account to really get after it. I was looking to have myself a grand slam day today, and I would have had I had enough cash settled in my account. I actually yesterday sent some money over into my margin account so that I could just fully fund that for the season to come, and that way I'll be above PDT and won't have any issues. When it's low, I usually draw some money out, or when I put myself in trader rehab, I put myself in a cash account, and I won't trade my margin account at all, basically. So today, yesterday, what I did was I said, you know what? We are trading disciplines. We're doing well. It's time to refund the account and get you above PDT, just so that you can trade freely and comfortably. Because sometimes I might miss out because I got to calculate. I'll be like, oh, damn, do I have enough money to purchase X amount of shares? And I got to do that math real quick. So I don't really like to, go through that struggle, which today cost me some money. It definitely cost me some money. I could be sitting up today on a nice $1,000 day. However, I'm not. But I do have a very nice, about $600 trade to show you here. And it's on WWR, okay? WWR was number 1 on my watch list this morning. As you can see, here's my watch list. Let's fix that. It was WWR, PSTV, BIMI, SES, and YUMA. Those were my watch list, my top watch list today. Now, WWR, I'm going to show you, I have the trade recorded, but I'm going to show you the paper trade I took. I had to take a paper trade because I didn't have enough money to trade it. It was here. When we pulled it all the way back in here and stuck this 9 EMA, I said, okay, this is the place to start to scale into this trade. And I paper traded, about 500 shares, scaled into it. I figured I'd be at a cost basis between 720 to 730. And as soon as we pushed up here over 8, I took 250 shares off right here as we pushed into this 830 area. So that would have given me another $250, which would have put me up, about $850 on the day. Then I would have held my other 250 shares with a stop down here just right at break even. So I wouldn't have gotten stopped out on this, and I would have taken profit as we creeped up here to this $9 area. So I would have had easily my $1,000 day that I really wanted to have today. However, that wasn't the case, even though I paper traded that second one. So I kind of did have the $1,000 day. I'm sticking here with my $600 trade, which was in this action here. So we pulled it all the way in and we bounced off of this area right here. I got long at, let me see here, where's my orders? 710. I got long right there at 710. I added at 772, which truly should have been a 740 ad, but I had some pop-up crap come out on my E-Trade because I was in my margin account, and I guess I was over PDT, so it was alerting me, and it got in my way, and I canceled it off and still, marketed into that order. So I got filled 772, which was fine, no big deal, because my first day profit from the 710 was at 866. Followed by more take profit at 858. And then I took more profit at 884. Okay. And then I finally stopped out my last 100 shares at 770 as it came back down. And that's it. That's the trade. It was sick. I got in here and just added right around here, and then took profit as we squeezed all the way up, and took more profit up here on this candle. And then when this candle failed and started to slam back down, I stopped out, and that was it. That was my trade. It's very nice, clean trade. I'll show you here. It was just very quick. I didn't expect it to be quick, and I held on to it a little bit long because I was looking for this to break over 9, squeeze, get halted, and then make that push to 10. I mean, damn it, if I'm in at 770 and I'm taking profits off at, almost $10, it's $2 a share, would have easily been a $700-800 winner, easily. So here's the trade. I actually, let me see. Yep, I had 500 shares. I actually did not get to, what do you say? How do you call it? I didn't get to click record when I had my 500 shares because it happened so quickly. And just so you know that I'm not BSing here, I'm going to show you my orders again with the quantity. There it is. Those are my 2 buys. So market in 250, market in 250, 500 shares. That's how I, went into that trade. I market ordered in 250 and 250, so that's 500. Okay, so I had 500 shares, but by the time I clicked play, it happened so fast that I was unable to show you 500 shares on here. So, well, as a matter of fact, there you can see where I executed, some sells. So we're in there. I've already sold some 250. Sold. I don't know why I said sold 50 there. I guess it would have been like some leftover. So I'm in there 250 still. Cost base is 772. We're trading at 837. I'm up on those just 180 bucks on those alone already. We continue to get that quick push. I decided to take some more profit off up there. I really thought we were going to just squeeze it and break over 9 right here, and it was going to be glorious. But, we started to kind of like lillygag around there, so I take some profit off now again. Let's fast forward this a little bit. There, on that little push there, I should be taking it. There, see? I went after it, but I got that stupid pop-up. And there we go. I close out there 100 shares. Sell another 100 there. Book some more profit. See, right there, executed at 858. And then I'm like, okay, as long as we can hold this $8 area, I'm going to stick to this trade here. So I put my hard stop out. I'm confident there. We're holding, this general area of this previous high, this $8 area. So I'm pretty confident. We had real good, nice volume on the breakout to new highs. So I'm thinking to myself, I'm going to hold on to these 150 shares to see if we break over 9. Because if we break over 9 and we push it to $10, these little 150 shares are going to get me like 300 bucks alone, right? That, and my goal here, let me get you this chart. Whoops. Oh my God, what have I done? Here we go. Was to make it to $10 area. See, this is previous resistance on the daily, which I'll show to you now. All these lines I drew in pre-market. That's why it's important to, have a plan. Let's see here. Here we go. See, $10. $10 area generally. 970, 980. See, right here again, 987. Right here again, we pierced through it. It came back down. So that's a resistance point on the daily. So my thought process was if we squeeze over this 9, we're going to go and make that push to 10. I'll drop it off there in case we get rejected. And, happy camper. I thought it was going to go there. It doesn't. So every time I thought it was about to go and it doesn't, I decided to, peel a little bit of profit off again. So I will see. I peeled off 100. No, I'm sorry. That's me canceling my hard stop. You see right here. Canceled my hard stop. I peeled off now 50 shares, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there. Oh, 100 shares. I peeled off 100 shares right there. And I leave 50 on because we don't break through the $9. We just don't break through it. And then we get that rejection. And I'm like, well, damn. That's crap. So I sell out those last 50 shares right there. And that's it. That was the trade right there. Super nice, clean trade. Super nice, clean trade. It was about a $600 trade. Nothing to complain about that. Then when we pulled it in here, I really wanted to buy this, but I had no settled cash, so I couldn't buy it. So now I'm stuck. I can't trade today. I don't have any settled cash to trade today. But when the day closes today and tomorrow opens up, I will have my account fully funded for above PDT, and we're good to go. So I would have been able to take this trade. The way I would have traded this would have been just taking, starter here and maybe adding. So I maybe would have had a couple hundred shares just to protect my profits. I don't want to go into full size and then, lose, a bunch of money. So I probably would have done that. So in reality, 200 shares, I probably would have made another 300 bucks, 200, 300 bucks. So would have been a nice trade, would have been a great day. I mean, it still is a great day. I'm certainly not complaining. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to do me that quick favor and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Hope you're having a great start to your trading week. Be a little bit careful. They're not trading as clean and as fast and furious as yesterday, but I will catch you on the next one.